खुशी कौन नहीं चाहता, लेकिन किस कीमत पर? धूम्रपान महंगा पड़ता है। धूम्रपान आपके लिए हानिकारक है और आपके चाहने वालों के लिए भी।
Every year on 31st May, the World Health Organization and global partners celebrate the World No Tobacco Day. It helps to organize a worldwide event for this day. And this event is beneficial for smokers because the organizers motivate the smokers to quit tobacco for 24 hours. The event is to drive the attention of smokers on the negative impact of tobacco on health. And this event is, or the organizers motivate the people to stay away from the bad effect of tobacco.
World No Tobacco Day is observed around the world every year on 31st May. The yearly celebration informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco. Usage of tobacco leads to more than 8 million deaths each year. WHO created World No Tobacco Day in 1987 to create awareness among the people. Let us also spread this message and create awareness among our friends and relatives.
The World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May every year. The aim of this day is to eliminate the addiction of the tobacco from the people. Its leaves contains high level of nicotine, which is very harmful for our body and causes several diseases. It is like a slow poison which slowly pushes the person to the death. On this day, several activities are conducted to educate the people about the bad effects of tobacco. The theme of this day is to protect the youth from the tobacco. Thank you.
Tobacco is a plant that can be smoked in cigarettes, pipes or cigars. It is the same plant that is in smokeless tobacco known as dip, snuff, spit or chewing tobacco. On top of all that, nicotine and other chemicals in tobacco cause diseases including lungs problem, heart disease and some kinds of cancer.